He showed his wounds. This is the second important point of the divine mercy. What happened when they saw the wounds of Jesus? Then the disciples rejoiced when they saw these wounds. When they saw the Lord, they rejoiced. Normally, when you show your wounds to somebody, suppose if you have wounds in your body, suppose you have a back pain and say, I have terrible back pain, or when you have a knee pain and you are showing your knee and say, I have terrible knee pain, nobody will look at you and rejoice. No one will look at your wounds and rejoice, but instead they will all feel sorry for you. But here you can see Jesus is showing his wounds and the disciples are rejoicing. Why they rejoiced? Because sometime back they were so afraid of these wounds. They are hiding because of these wounds. They saw these wounds have defeated Jesus, and these are the wounds that caused the death of Jesus. Therefore they were afraid of these wounds. But now Jesus is standing in front of them alive and showing his wounds. When they saw the wounds, they rejoiced because Jesus conquered these wounds.